What's up, everybody? Hey, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button. I appreciate it. But let me give you the title right now: How to Buy a House During the Pandemic. Right? My new neighbors. How you doing, neighbor? All right. We all. It's the day that everybody comes to check out their house, how the progress is going. Right? So today we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you guys everything what's going on. So last time we were here, it was just the foundation. So let's go inside. Right here is the garage. You can see right here. So we got a two-car garage. Well, actually like three-car garage. Let's go inside. So right here is the garage. You see? No. So two-car garage. And then we got the extra space back here. I can put my bike. I can put another car just to sit back in this area right here. So right here is where you come in if you're coming in from the garage. Right, so let's go through the rest of the house. Right, so let's go to the front door. So this is the front door. Right, so this is where the front door is going to be at. Front way, right, the entrance. This is the office right here. Nice big office. The stairwell you'll see going all the way up, so we're going on the stairway to heaven. We'll see that when they finish building it, because you can see there's no roof right now. So also the steps that are going to go to the basement, which you'll probably see at some point, but this is the steps going upstairs and downstairs, right? So then right here we have like the living room. So this is the living room. Dining room, right? Kitchen over here, right? So the kitchen's over here. I know it's probably hard to understand or see it, right? So you can see the beams they're putting in. It's pretty cool. Big window right here. The patio, whatever. We're gonna have to build the deck. So we're gonna build a deck right here. So the deck's gonna come out, but right here, here's the door for the deck. Right, and then we got the backyard. As you can see, it's full of dirt. So they're trying to keep it clean and everything. So it's pretty cool, So right now, that's kind of where we are. So like one of the things I want to check, so we'll go back. I think one of the important things is like you should always check when you get the house built, check on the progress of the house, right? So want to go and check and see the boards, making sure everything is like it's supposed to be. And what I mean by that is, you can pan down. So you want to check the boards to make sure that they secure them properly, right? So have you ever went into your house and you start hearing the boards creak and hear the boards start making noise? Because a lot of times they don't hit the stud. So look at this. So a lot of times if you see like those so you see like the nails right here, it's kind of like this where they missed the stud, you know. So, you know, they're trying to go fast, but sometimes they miss the stud, as you can see like right there. You know, so they missed the stud. And what happens is, like on the floor, if I was downstairs, I could show you guys a little bit better. But on the floor, you'll start to hear the floor start to move, right? So you test that out by stepping on the floor. Well, that's how I like to check it out. So that way you can check to see if any boards, and if it's boards that are loose, all you have to do is tell them, hey, you know, go back over here because we see some softness in the floor. We see some sponginess, which is going to make the floor over like a couple of years. You're going to go through the house and you're going to hear the floor creaking and I guess it's not creaking, but you hear the floor making noise. So, yeah, so I'm just checking out the progress, seeing what's going on in this house. So it did look like they're doing a pretty good job. The foundation is great, but the subfloor is looking pretty good. Just checking it out. I mean, I think it's important to do this because you don't want to come back 5 years later and then have, have to now go in and play somebody, a subcontractor come in, screw your floor down. So that's why we're checking this. So, let me see. I was trying to see if we could see it. See, like right here. See, like some of the screws they missed? So, look right there. See that screw? See how they miss? Right here, right here. They missed this joist right here. So what happens is when you miss those joists, you got to go back and, like right here, look at that one. There's one here. There's one here. There's one here. It's hard probably for you guys to see it. But that's what I'm here to check, to check that floor out. And I'll go back, I'll probably come back over here and tell these guys, hey, check it out. See if you can screw the floor down a little bit better. But that's what you want to make sure, like, during this process that you're checking the floor. And there's a whole bunch of things, like, we didn't get everything done here. Like, we're going to do some lighting things. We're going to do some, not what the builder wants you to do, not what they come in their package, because we want to have like a unique feeling to our home. That's kind of resembles me and my family. So it's important, like lighting, things you can change after you get into the house, but you don't want to buy from the builder because it's kind of like standard issue, So just kind of want to do that, especially if you're not building a custom home, So this is the best way to get the custom feel without paying custom prices. Come in and do some things you can do after market. So like right here, we're gonna do like a fireplace right here. So I'm gonna do the fireplace. That's gonna be here on this wall. But instead of using like the small standard fireplace that they give you, which is like here, I'm gonna do more of a custom feel fireplace all the way out here, bring it down, be able to put a TV mount here and make it look really custom, aftermarket look. So that way, because I believe you should make it feel and kind of have the feeling of your own, like not look so much like everybody else's house in the neighborhood, try to stand out. So we're gonna do that, a couple more things, but I think it's gonna be fun. We got an office. I didn't show you about the guy's office back here. So here's another office, right? So this is another office right here, right? So this is another upstairs office that we'll have in the front, in the house. So pretty much the open concept, pretty much everything out there, but we're gonna have an office here, office in the front. And you can see right here is right next to the back of the garage, so which is cool. So you put the third car here. So it's gonna be great. I think it's gonna be good. I'm excited about what's happening. Just checking the progress, see what's going on. If you guys know anything or want to know any more questions, ask me about the house. That'll be great. So I'm doing this series about, building a house during a pandemic. If you're new to the channel, check out the other video where I talked about buying a new house, and you can see where the progress was from there, from that last video to now. And then I'll do a video as we continue to build and show you guys what's going on. So till the next time, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the share button. I would appreciate it. See you on the next one.
I can't even hear it, what you say to me, unless what is coming out your mouth is paying me. I love it when you speak, you know how to call it, buzzing all around me like a room full of hornets. Ow. I can still own it, don't try to make me inferior. Wake up in the morning, know that I am the superior. I can give them what they want, just tell them what they wanna know. But y'all just be putting me on, you just keep putting us on. You're doing something and you know you got that buzz. If they asking questions then you know you got that buzz. If your pocket's shining like you got that buzz. Why could they be shining like
through the city like Hugo, and that two-door where the roof go. You already know who next to blow. Numero 3 dough, I'm number 1 dough. Just ask around who do the most. Push the envelope, Swiss cheese in my dungarees. Erica bring the heat like Riley. These Cartiers look 3D. Lay her down here, hold up key. You can learn something, just watch me. Chain looking real rocky. Wannabes wanna copy. Models all in the lobby. Snap pics for IG. Got horses under my engine, go.